Setting up cross-play in Stardew Valley.
Hello, fellow farmers. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Stardew Valley and discussing how to enable crossplay between various platforms. Crossplay allows players from different systems to play together, enhancing the fun of multiplayer farming. So, let's get started.
What is crossplay in Stardew Valley?
Crossplay in Stardew Valley is the ability for players on different platforms, like PC, Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox, to join and play in the same multiplayer session. As of my last update in 2021, crossplay is available between some platforms but not all. It's important to always check the latest official announcements for the most up-to-date information.
Which platforms support crossplay?
Before jumping into setting up crossplay, let's understand which platforms currently support this feature. PC, Steam and GOG, Switch, PlayStation, PS4 and PS5, Xbox, Xbox One and Xbox Series X. Note, it's essential to understand that there might be exceptions. For instance, as of 2021, PlayStation and Xbox players can't directly join each other's games, even though both can play with PC players.
How to set up crossplay.
1. Start a multiplayer game. The host player should launch their game and either start a new farm with co-op mode or load an existing multiplayer farm. 2. Retrieve the invite code. Once in the game, the host needs to open the settings menu and locate the multiplayer tab. Here, they will find a unique invite code. 3. Share the invite code. The host must share this invite code with the players they want to invite, regardless of their platform. 4. Joining a game. Players looking to join should select Join from the co-op menu on the title screen. They will then be prompted to enter the invite code. 5. Enter the invite code. Input the invite code shared by the host to join their game. Remember, for a smooth cross-play experience, ensure that all players have updated their game to the latest version and are on a stable internet connection. And there you have it. Setting up cross-play in Stardew Valley is relatively straightforward. It's a fantastic feature that allows friends from different platforms to come together and farm as a team. Happy farming, and may your crops always be bountiful.